well, I don't know. We finally have a few days off and know where we gotta be. So why don't we hop in that jalopy of ours and go see what's out there to see? So pack the bags, we're going on a road trip. Just you and I all weekend to have a good time. Well, there's a full tank of gasoline and our favorite playlist full of hits. So let's push play